how to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can remove our Gmail account from another device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So to basically remove our Gmail from another device, you open up the Gmail application here and log into the account. Tap the profile icon from the top right, then go to the option called Manage Your Google Account. From Manage Your Google Account, you want to simply navigate and go to the Security tab that you can find here. Once you come to the Security tab, just scroll down here. You'll find the option called Your Devices, where you can tap on the Manage All Devices option. Then you can simply select a device that you would like to remove from here. Then from here you can just tap on the Sign On button to remove your Gmail account from another device. This way you can remove your Gmail account from another device. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.